my friends, welcome. You are in a move, but you don't want to leave the wonderful family chandelier from the place you're leaving. So today I will show you how to remove it, and that's a version for beginners. And we're, by the way, in the living room that you've already seen at the occasion of the video about how to connect an old hi-fi system. And you see here my dog Timmy relaxed after a nice walk on the countryside. Don't hesitate to watch my video about the walks in the province of Namur. Let's go! The first thing to do is obviously to cut the electricity, so the safest way is to cut the power of the whole house. In case you still need power yourself for using a drill or whatever, or if your partner is working online or your son or daughter is playing online, in this case you can also cut only the circuit for the light. And for this I'm putting you an extract of my video about how to install a suspension. So here it is extremely easy because there is already a bulb installed on this lamp. So I will just light on this lamp and I will cut the relevant circuit. Now the circuit is off, so I can now remove this provisional lamp. So we're starting with this wonderful piece, which has the characteristics of being on one hand relatively heavy and on the second having these wonderful glass surroundings, which makes it quite fragile. So in this very case we'll be starting by removing all the glass pieces. We'll put them in a box with these protection bubbles for the move, and we'll be writing on it fragile, because should there be one of these 5 pieces being broken, it would definitely be a disaster for this chandelier. We'll be taking a ladder. That's very important. Don't start to put yourself on different chairs, knowing that here it's in addition in a certain height. So we start by taking a good ladder. Don't hesitate to watch my video about the 6 golden rules for your safety on a ladder. So I'm not placing the ladder under the chandelier because otherwise I will not be comfortable for removing the chandelier. Now I am first of all removing the bulbs. On this type for removing, there are these rings here. And now we're super careful. I already made a couple of verifications and I know that it's this piece here which is defect. Now I'm removing the piece hiding the access to the wires. So there's a little screw here which is blocking this piece here. And here I have access to my wires. So here the fixing is really done in a rather light way. It's only with a power cable. And here the connections are made with Wacos, and you will find very often Dominoes. I'm disconnecting the wires which are going to the chandelier. Deux. and here it's a domino. So here I'm removing the wires going to the chandelier. So here the chandelier is attached with a ring from a key holder, which is not without reminding us the video about how to make a vintage wine chandelier. So here I will undo this wire here. And now I have to start to keep the chandelier in my hands for avoiding that it's falling down. So before finishing, don't leave the wires open like this. They may touch each other, which will generate a short circuit. So the best is that you are protecting them with Wacos. And if you are leaving, you can leave Dominoes. This is cheaper. So now all the wires which are bringing the electricity are protected. So now basically I can leave it like it is. I may also put some sockets for works so that I'm leaving the house in the state in which it was when I arrived. So this is not exactly a work socket, but it's very similar. And it's, by the way, the same that you've already seen in my video about how to detect an electrical circuit when doing works. And now I can put the power back. That's it, my friends. I hope that you like this video and that it helps you for removing your own chandelier. If it's the case, please leave me a like or subscribe to the channel. It happens that this chandelier had a defect in the electricity, so in case it's a subject of interest for you, don't hesitate to join the next video. Otherwise, see you soon on Happy Hour TV 1.